Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upgrade to Perplexity Pro. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. Well, now let us simply look at how to get Perplexity Pro. Well, it's quite easy. As you can see, on the left side of the screen, you can see a button like this that says Try Pro. You can simply click on it or click on the Pro button at the bottom of the screen. It's right next to Enterprise. Click on either one. Then you will be redirected to this page. Currently, as you can see, I am in the free version of Perplexity Pro. Right now, I want to upgrade it. That is Professional. Let us simply hit on Continue with Pro. Then a new page will open up. From here, all you have to do is enter all of your credentials. Do note that you can get Perplexity Pro for monthly or annual basis. It is up to you. Once everything is okay, simply hit on subscribe and then you will get Perplexity Pro. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we get Perplexity Pro. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.